I think because of the delay of results in general, not just in Mumbai University but everywhere, personally we all go through a lot of stress. And I personally had sleepless nights waiting for my 12th standard result. So it's really, really terrible.
Due to the delay of the results by Mumbai University, as you're promoted to next standard and you start studying, the issue is then later on you come to know that you're not cleared all the subjects.
और ये जो रिज़ल्ट जो लेट निकलते हैं उसका कारण ये हो सकता है कि उनके पास स्टाफ भी कम हो सकता है और बच्चे लोग ज़्यादा बढ़ गए तो उसके पेपर भी ज़्यादा हो सकते हैं.
I think it is the committee members, the board, like the teachers who selected, because well, it's just the papers. They are there. They are with you, and you have to just correct them. Yeah, it takes a while, and there is too many papers, but that's what you're there for. Like, do your job.
This year the results have been delayed already, and it has really affected people because they wanted to start like career in LLB or something. So it really affected them. So they won't be able to continue their career with this. So like they'll have to wait a year.
The problem which I have faced is I am outsider. I am not from Mumbai. So I came here to pursue my graduation. After completing my graduation, I was told that the result would come within this specific period of time that kept on postponed. So we have to face a lot of difficulty as we know that Mumbai is not a place where we can stay.
कोई भी अगर जॉब के लिए अप्लाई करता है तो कर नहीं पाता है डिले होने की वजह से, या कोई कोर्स करना होता है तो उसके लिए भी वो डिले हो जाता है, डेट चली जाती है और फिर वो उसका करियर मतलब कहीं ना कहीं रुक जाता है.
यूनिवर्सिटी का जो रिज़ल्ट निकलता है और रिज़ल्ट लेट निकलता है उसके वजह से बच्चे प्रॉब्लम आके जो है वो टेंशन में आके सुसाइड कर लेते हैं.
Mostly what I see in my view is that is totally a negligence on the part of the administration of the university. Now students with the hope of that the exams will be conducted at the month of March end or the April. The same is not conducted at the relevant time, which the delay in the result is declared. Therefore the students suffer a lot.
बच्चे लोगों का जो रिज़ल्ट आता है उसके लिए गवर्नमेंट जिम्मेदार है और रिज़ल्ट लेट होने की वजह से बच्चे लोगों के दिमाग की मानसिकता बहुत परेशानी होती है उन लोगों, क्योंकि उन लोग जब तक रिज़ल्ट नहीं आवे तब तक उन लोगों को सुकून नहीं होता है कब रिज़ल्ट आएगा करके.
We shall give them a benefit of doubt that might be there must be less teachers or what staff in compared to the number of students, so there must be some delay.
We have appeared for the exams and we are waiting for the results to come out. But since we don't get the results, so we just lose our opportunities.
Results are essential part of all students' life. After all, it's related to their future career. Some students are not affected, but some suffer a loss of 1 year. Let's hope that Mumbai University focuses on all these matters and gives out results on time. With camera person Vivek, I'm Nisha Jha from MRSC Mumbai.